In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare journal entries payroll wages. This is a must-have skill if you're working in practice or perhaps you're studying accounting and finance at uni. So grab your pen, grab your paper, and let's get learning. Payroll is very, very important within an organization. It ensures that your staffs are paid on time. It is a legal requirement. And all of these must be accounted for because it is an expense to that organization. So there are a lot of things that goes into payroll. Some of the items that go into payroll are, of course, gross wages, what the employee earned for the month, employee pay as you earn, which is to be paid to HMRC, employee national insurance contribution, employee pension contribution, and finally the employer pension contribution as well as the national insurance contribution from the employer. All of these things have to be accounted for because it is an expense to that organization. So moving on, we're going to be looking into how to account for these wages using journal entries. We use journal entries to account for payroll wages. It's very important to understand that as an employer, you are responsible for a lot of things. For instance, you're responsible and accountable to HMRC, you're also accountable to the pension fund, you're also accountable to your employee because, of course, they have to receive their consideration for working for you. It is your own responsibility to ensure that these organizations and your employees are paid on time. You are responsible for making certain payments to HMRC, and also you are responsible for ensuring that the pension funds collected from the employee as well as the employer's pension contribution, you are responsible for making sure that these funds are paid to the pension fund. And finally, of course, when an employee work, okay, at the end of the month, they are entitled to their salary and their wages, okay? And when you have deducted the tax, their national insurance contribution, student loan, if that applies, the net wages is what you pay to your employee. Here we have to understand that any expenditure that you incur within your business, it is first of all a liability before it becomes an expense. We debit all employers' expenses, okay? Expenses are usually a default debit balance. So the salary paid to the employee at the end of the month, okay, is a liability first. So you have to account for it as a liability within your books. That is why here net wages is credited, employer pension contribution, okay, is credited, HMRC tax and NICS, national insurance contribution, is credited. So all of these items are credited within your book because it is an accrued liability.